Brien Electrical. I've owned it for 30 years, we started 30 years ago. Brought it when I was still an apprentice. So the business is growing. Back then when I brought it, it was 3 people. Now we're running 33 people. I was keen to be self-employed. My whole goal of being an electrician was to be self-employed and have a business. And my whole goal of having a business was to grow it into a good electrical quality business, a business that I could stand back and watch it operate. You couldn't even compare the way we used to operate to the way we operate today. Well, I used to have 20 guys here in the office at 8 o'clock, and you'd try to dish out all your job sheets, to them for the day. So you'd have to have them all printed out ready to give to the guys. And by the time we went through 20 guys, the last ones were getting out the door at close to 9 o'clock, because I was distributing them all. Now, the guys look at their phone each night or first thing in the morning, they know exactly where they're going. They don't even come to the office. All that downtime's gone. They go straight to their job site. 8 o'clock, they're on site, 7:30, they're on site, whatever time is indicated on the schedule. And when they go to the job, they write the notes each day exactly what they've done on that job that day. So they've got their start time, their finish time, the notes for the job, then on to the next job. It's so clear and easy, as long as the boys are doing their job in the field, which we've trained them to do.
I am Mark's wife, Monique, and we own Brien Electrical together. When we bit the bullet and decided to make things a little bit more worthwhile and invest in some real technology, we started looking around. We knew that we were losing a lot in materials. Materials were being used on jobs and not getting charged. That was a big part of our decision as well, was that we needed something that you could really track your stock. When it was explained to us that it does the whole lot, so from the moment you take in the job, you've got all your details of your client there in the same system that you are scheduling them from, in the same system that you're then buying your materials from, and that's landing on the job without us even needing to do anything. Same system then invoices, or we invoice through the same system of the job. The accounts payable is generated through those purchase orders, so that is also within that same system. So for that, simPRO just definitely was there, and we went, wow, it's actually really a no-brainer. We need to do it.
Probably the biggest difference with simPRO, that it was designed for contractors, whether it be plumbing or electrical. I think originally someone said it was designed by an electrical contractor, and it followed all the steps that we would follow, so it made sense. To be professional, you've got to have a professional system. I got a bill the other day from a panel beater, and it's just a sheet of paper that looked exactly the same as what that guy would have been using 30 years ago. Yeah, it says a lot about the business, yeah.
At that stage, we were here in this office and we had plenty of room and we were starting to grow, and with that, simPRO helped us, because it wasn't all just on Mark or I to run and to oversee everything.
Well, you build a structured business that will operate without you behind the helm 24/7. Yeah, I don't have to be here every day, 5 days a week from 7:30 till 5 o'clock. If I want to be, I can, but if I want to take a 5-week holiday, I can. And I can still look at the books, not that I'll be looking at them every day, but I can take a 5-week holiday and go onto the computer or the laptop, iPad, whatever, and just go, yep, how many jobs have I taken in today? Oh yeah, I've taken in 30 jobs, that's great. How much have the girls invoiced out today? Oh yeah, there's all the invoices I've done. I wonder what percentage profit we've done over the last 3 weeks while I've been away. Oh yeah, there we go. I can look at all that while I'm, sitting on an island somewhere, But you're still monitoring the business. Well, that's a professional business, But it took a lot of work to get to that stage, but that's okay, that's what you have to do.
You really just have to take it by the horns and do it, because you actually then realise that you were too busy because you didn't have it. We don't jump into things too quickly, but with this we've never looked back. It's definitely been something that has helped us to work more on the business and not be quite so involved in every nitty-gritty bit. My main interest really is family. We travel a bit, Mark and I, we love to go and see different parts of the world if we can.
We go to Europe, we go to South America, South Africa, Egypt, India, lots of different places. I really enjoy fishing. I spend a lot of time game fishing, so I've got a big enough boat that I can go out deep, so I can go away and spend a week up north in the game fishing areas. So the system we operate now is just bulletproof.